How to fix notes future not showing on your Instagram app in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple and easy. So the first step you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps on your phone like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Go down to the storage option, click on it, and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on force stop, and now click on the power usage details option and go to the force stop down here and click on it again and make sure that this option is enabled. After that, you have to update your Instagram. To update it, or what you have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store and search for it and click on update. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.